Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Oliver Smith.
Well, throughout southern Oregon and northern California, we've had some pretty still air throughout the region. In fact, we do have an air stagnation advisory issued by the National Weather Service for the remainder part of the day today and all day tomorrow, not set to expire until 10 o'clock tomorrow night. So we're going to have some pretty poor air quality over the next couple of days. So if you start kind of feeling that, clearing your throat kind of deal, that's probably partially why. Now we have temperatures still very chilly throughout the Rogue Valley. It's 39 degrees in Grants Pass. You can still see we do have some fog still out in the distance, but it is already starting to break up. We're into the mid to high 50s along the Oregon coast, so very pleasant over there, but we're still pretty much into the high 30s up and down the Rogue Valley into Mount Shasta City, a little bit warmer at 44 degrees, but we're into the 30s east of the Cascades, still 33 in Chemult. Now you can kind of see the fog of just to the west of Grants Pass at this time, but it shouldn't last too much longer. It should be breaking up. Well, it's breaking up now. It should be completely gone within about, say, an hour. Zooming all the way out, not a whole lot in terms of cloud cover, but if you're traveling west, east, or south, it's looking pretty clear. But if you're traveling north, expect fog in the Umpqua and the Willamette Valley. Now we're going to be seeing some high clouds from our system that's way offshore, but we'll see those increasing throughout the night tonight and into tomorrow as well. And then we'll get a little bit of a break before we see more clouds increasing. But then here's the leading edge of our next system. That'll be affecting us once we get towards Wednesday. Now, how much rainfall are we looking at with this particular system? It's not much. It's not going to be a very strong system whatsoever, but some areas could see the potential for some rain, especially once we get towards later in the day on Wednesday. And by the time Thanksgiving happens, we're looking pretty dry throughout the region. Now, our forecast for today in terms of jacket weather, it's going to be definitely a good weather for today to wear your jacket. Even though the sun feels nice out there, it's still awfully chilly, and it's still going to stay pretty chilly throughout the day. In fact, we're only looking at 58 for Medford, 50 for Lakeview, 49 for Klamath Falls, mid to high 50s into this Shasta Valley, and low to mid 60s along the Oregon coast. You'll drop into the 40s for tonight, and we'll be looking into the 30s. Another chilly night here in the Rogue Valley, and right around freezing as you head into the Shasta Valley yet again, and temperatures into the 20s east of Cascades, but 33 over in Crater Lake. Now, if you're thinking of maybe doing some camping over the next couple of days, really Tuesday is going to be your best day, even though temperatures are still going to be awfully chilly at night. It'll be the warmest day for the next couple of days, because then we'll start seeing a better chance of rain and even snow into the Cascades for Wednesday and part of Thursday. Now, in terms of our Rogue Valley extended forecast, in terms of temperatures getting a little bit above average for the next couple of days, but they come down a little bit, and then temperatures kind of hanging around our seasonal average for the next several days. So here's your forecast for the Oregon coast. Best chance of rain will be on Wednesday, but Turkey Day looking pretty nice, and temperatures right around 60 degrees. For Northern California, you'll stay dry for the next 7 days, but best chance of seeing really the thicker cloud cover will be on Wednesday. Klamath Basin, you'll stay dry for most of the next 7 days. Best chance of rain will be later in the day on Wednesday, but that system quickly pushes out of the region. And for the Cascades, low temperatures will be pretty chilly, especially once we get towards the end of the week. We'll be well into the 20s. But we could see some rain and snow, but not significant amounts for Wednesday and Thursday. Rogue Valley will stay dry for the next couple days. Best chance of rain will be on Wednesday, but we won't see a whole lot.
All right, thank you, Oliver. I think it's kind of a Thanksgiving miracle that we have some nice fall but sunny weather for Thanksgiving, right?
Yeah, it's always nice when we can have Turkey Day nice.
Right?
Because then people want to go on a walk after you've stuffed your face.
Exactly, exactly. All right, thank you, Oliver.
Yeah,
appreciate it.